I am unboxing the Omelette Auto Door. We have tried various automatic systems for opening and closing our coop, everything from making teenagers do it to getting an El Cheapo door on Amazon, and we have finally decided to go ahead and invest in one of these. So I'm going to do an unboxing for you guys and just show you what is in the box. So I have not opened this box. I don't know what's in here, so we shall see. I will say that it arrived pretty quickly, so I like that. Packaged really well, so I don't imagine there's going to be much in the way of like transport damage. Oh, no. Ooh. All right, so very well packaged there. So we have this, wow, rather stout book with installation instructions, programming instructions. They have their own coop called the Igloo. There's like a different way that you install this with the Igloo because the Igloo's made of plastic. So there's that in there and everything. One of the things that I like about this, for our coop, we needed a horizontal door, so that's what this is. And the thingy that tells the door when to open, when to close, keeps the time, all that stuff is separate. So we can put it kind of in a more sheltered location, I guess is the point. All right, let's see what all we got here. Okay, I like this. So it's got the sensor for light so that you can set it for opening when the sun comes up and when the sun goes down. Stout buttons. Okay, they actually click, which is, I know that sounds weird, but like I've been through a couple of El Cheapo ones and this just feels significantly more substantial. Fixings pack, that's what they say. All right, we got zip ties, screws, bolts, brackets. That all looks very good. I have no idea what these are. We're gonna figure it out. Another little packet. This is fixing gear. It's got an extra gear in it. It's got a couple of screws and I don't know what this plastic thing is. And then here is the actual door, which is not attached. So this is what will mount to the coop. This is the opening I will cut. And this slides back and forth based on the settings that I put it on. Has a cord here that goes into the module that opens and closes it. I'm going to check the length of this cord. I did not look that up before I bought it. I don't imagine it's going to be any kind of an issue for us, but it would be good to know how long it is. There we go. So that's probably 5 feet. I'm guessing that that's 5 feet, so that's nice. So we can put that module somewhere that makes good sense and not be limited by our cord. I like that. And it's a plug-in end, so I don't have to do any wiring. I like that. I feel like that's going to be pretty easy to install, so we'll see. Okay, so I have been kind of going through all this stuff that's here. First thing I noticed is that it is very IKEA-esque instructions, which I kind of like. I feel like it's dummy proof, so I like that. I also found very clearly in the instructions that the module, and I think the door, I think there's 1 battery in the door and maybe 3 in the module, so altogether 4 AA batteries. It says that those will last between 6 months and a year. While you do have to unscrew the module to replace the batteries, if it's only going to be like an annual thing or even a twice-a-year thing, I'm totally okay with that. Okay, so the next thing I noticed in the instruction book is that they give very clear instructions on how to attach it to various things. Like I said, they have some of their own coops and it shows you, it directs you how to attach it there. It directs you how to attach to the run of their coops or to a wood background or a wire mesh background. And it just tells you what step in the instructions to go to for whatever your situation is. And I like that. That's pretty clear. How cool is this? They actually have a video of how to build and install the auto door. All right, guys, so over the next couple of days, I am going to create a new opening in our coop, in our chickshaw coop, and in that door, I'm going to put the opening for this Omelette Auto Door, and we will test it out. And once we have all that done, we will let you guys know what we really think of it. Thanks for watching.